Welcome to Best Quality Reviews. Top 11 Best Motorcycle Tires, Street Motorcycle Sport Tires. Reviews and Buying Guide. Top 1. Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3 120/70 ZR17 front and 180/55 ZR17 rear motorcycle tires with Keychain. About this item: large footprint area for improved grip, unprecedented handling for a new generation of sporty behavior. Pirelli technology developed within the World Superbike Championship. Bi-compound with wide side soft stripe offering full grip starting from mid-lean angle. Tubeless making it less prone to punctures and blowouts. Introducing the Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3. Introducing the Diablo Rosso 3, a motorcycle tire that offers unparalleled handling, absolute grip, and exceptional performance in wet conditions. Designed to provide lasting and consistent performance throughout the entire life cycle of the tire, the Diablo Rosso 3 is the perfect choice for riders who demand the very best in terms of safety and performance. Top 2. Michelin Commander 2 Cruiser Bias Tire 180/65-1681H. About this item: the Michelin tire for all types of cruisers, offering more longevity without compromising stability and handling. Proven longevity: the benchmark in longevity. Commissioned third-party tests show that the Michelin Commander 2 rear tire lasts almost twice as long as its main competitors. No compromise on stability and maneuverability, thanks to its high density and therefore stiffer frame. Michelin Amplified Density Technology. Michelin Commander 2 features premium handling and responsiveness. The top layers in rear tires are made of aramid fibers, which combine resistance and a lightweight feel for perfect stability, even at high speeds. Excellent grip on wet surfaces. A brand new longitudinal tread provides outstanding water evacuation, and thus excellent grip on wet surfaces. Commissioned third-party tests conducted in 2011 on public roads comparing Michelin Commander 2 tires, Metzeler ME880, and Dunlop D407/D408 tires in sizes 130/80sb17 and 180/65sb16. Individual results may vary depending on motorcycle type and operating conditions. Top 3. Shinko SR777 HD Black Wall Bias Front Tire, 120/70-2168V. About this item: see fitment guide image for additional machines this item fits. Rubber compound formulated to provide maximum grip and comfort. Tread design includes functional sipping and grooves for superior traction in wet and dry riding conditions. Confidence-inspiring traction you can feel when accelerating, braking and cornering. HD, heavy-duty version with reinforced carcass providing a more stable and planted feel. Aramid belted provides ample load capacity while also giving more stability. Top 4. Dunlop American Elite Rear All-Season Radial Tire, 180/65-1681H. About this item: Dunlop's American Elite is a leading aftermarket choice for riders in search of tires that have extended tread wear. Dunlop tires, the arrival is as important as the journey. John Boyd Dunlop, a forerunner of pneumatic tires, founded Dunlop Tires in 1889. Tire companies like Goodyear, Continental, and Sumitomo manage this brand all over the world. Dunlop is a leading manufacturer of highly maneuverable, comfortable, and high-performance light truck and passenger tires. Some of its technologies and creations include the noise shield technology, dual silica compound, Silica Plus compound, run-on flat, maximum flange shield, MFS, and hybrid overlay technologies. Their tires are the result of a century's worth of invention, advanced engineering, and racing know-how. The SP Sport Max GT and SP Sport 600 are two of their well-known high-performance variants. Product description: the American Elite delivers enhanced tire mileage due to the Mount multi-tread rear tire compound. This compound incorporates a long-wearing compound centered on the tire. There is also a lateral grip compound on each shoulder to improve handling. Top 5. Dunlop D404 rear motorcycle tire 170/80ths-15, 77H, black wall. About this item: expanded size range fits a wide variety of older bikes and cruisers. Tread compound delivers excellent balance of mileage and grip. Top 6. Michelin Commander 3 Touring rear tire, 180/65ths-16, 81H. About this item: the newest Michelin tire for all types of V-twin cruisers and touring bikes. Class-leading mileage for touring bikes. Michelin Commander 3 touring tires offer an average of 25% longer tread life among leading competitors, based on third-party tests. Product description: the Michelin Commander 3 touring tire is the new Michelin tire for all types of V-twin touring bikes. The Michelin Commander 3 touring tires deliver enhanced wet grip and exceptional longevity. A highly dense, more rigid tire casing which helps deliver excellent feedback and handling. Aramid tread plies on the rear tire resist centrifugal growth, reduce weight and provide excellent stability. In addition to that, the Michelin Premium Touch technology found on the sidewalls of Michelin Commander 3 tires provide enhanced styling. Top 7. Michelin Scorcher 31 Cruiser Bias Tire 180/70ths-16, 77H, 77V. About this item: the original equipment Michelin tire designed and developed to deliver superior performance with long, even tread wear on Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Maximum grip, even in the rain, thanks to its unique multi-rubber blend. The Michelin Scorcher 31 tire provides for outstanding grip. Ride with total safety, even in the rain. Stability at high speeds. Our engineers created this high-quality tire using a hyper-functional and high-quality material, aramid fiber, renowned for its use in the aviation industry. Super lightweight and resistant, this material provides for responsiveness and maximum stability, even at high speeds. Exceptionally easy to handle, thanks to Michelin Amplified Density Technology, ADT. The Michelin Scorcher 31 has a stiffer carcass for an easy and responsive ride. Riding comfort guaranteed. Load capacity, 908 pounds, fit type, vehicle specific. Top 8. Kenda KM1 Sport Touring Motorcycle Tire Set 120/70ZR1758 WTL 180/55ZR1773 WTL with Keychain. About this item: these sport touring radial tires offer excellent all-weather performance in a range of popular sizes. Ideal for touring and commuting on a wide variety of motorcycles. The latest compounds offer fast warm-up from cold, even in lower temperatures. High-speed stability. Responsive, agile handling. It comes with a Kenda Keychain. Kenda, KM01, highly competitive sport touring all-weather performance tire. The Kenda KM1 features optimized apex geometry designed to deliver the perfect balance of high-speed stability and responsive, nimble handling. The newly designed tread pattern offers riders even more characteristics as well as boosted grip in wet weather. The KM1 is an ideal tire, for it is compatible with a wide variety of motorcycles in a range of popular sizes. What is cruiser tire really? Cruiser touring tires are designed to be robust to hold up to heavy bikes and deliver long mileage with good wet weather traction. Another feature of these tires is that they have more tread depth than most other tires compared to something like a dual sport moto tire. Top 9. Bridgestone Exedra Max Bias Rear Tire, 170/16 HP. About this item. Specific rubber compound for cruiser applications provides long mileage. Product description. Tire specifications, load/speed index, 75H recommended rim, inches, NA overall diameter, mm, NA tread width, mm, NA construction, tubeless. Specific rubber compound for cruiser applications provides long mileage. Linear handling and high-speed, straight-line stability. Unique wide shape of tire profile supports touring-type riding while reducing fatigue. Rubber compounds and tread patterns enhance water evacuation and both dry and wet grip. Tubeless. Top 10. Pirelli Night Dragon Cruiser Motorcycle Tires Set, 130/60 SP 19 MCTL Front. About this item. EPT technology, optimized contact area between tire and road to increase stability. Balance between reliability and tire life. Built to provide balanced reliability and tire longevity. Whether it's fast, straight-line acceleration or cornering, the Night Dragon handles it all. Includes neck gaiter. Top 11. Dunlop D404 Rear 130/1667H. About this item. Dunlop D404 Rear 130/1667H, Dunlop tires, the arrival is as important as the journey. John Boyd Dunlop, a forerunner of pneumatic tires, founded Dunlop Tires in 1889. Tire companies like Goodyear, Continental, and Sumitomo manage this brand all over the world. Dunlop is a leading manufacturer of highly maneuverable, comfortable, and high-performance light truck and passenger tires. Some of its technologies and creations include the Noise Shield technology, dual silica compound, silica plus compound, run-on flat, maximum flange shield, MFS, and hybrid overlay technologies. Their tires are the result of a century's worth of invention, advanced engineering, and racing know-how. The SP Sport Max GT and SP Sport 600 are two of their well-known high-performance variants. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.